Howdy folks, quick video today. We're getting back in the swing of things in the next month or so. Gonna be getting pre-emergent down. I wanted to kind of give you an update over at my brother's house. It's been a few months. What we called the restoration or restoring a terrible Bermuda lawn, something like that, I can't remember. But we're gonna be picking back up on it this year and making it the best lawn in the neighborhood. So I wanted to kind of give you an update of what his dormant Bermuda looks like compared to, if you look back at some previous videos, it looks way better as far as weeds. Let me show you here. Here's this section of the lawn. Look at the difference. Remember last year how much weeds and stuff were in it? Pre-emergent makes a huge difference. I mean, look between his yard and his neighbor's yard. I gotta tell you something about his neighbor's yard here in a minute too. But look at the difference. Just nice dormant Bermuda. He's got a few weeds, but compared to weeds last year in springtime, it's so much better. He's got to do something about that over there, of course, but his lawn looks so much better. So I like to do 2 rounds of pre-emergent. I'd like to do a light dose in February once it's not like frigidly cold. Then I'll do another heavy dose in probably mid to late April. And that takes care of my lawn. I never have weeds. So we're gonna do that here at his house and my parents' house. We're gonna take that on too, like I said at the end of last year. I'm gonna try to use nothing but products from local hardware stores, big box, cheaper price products, and show you how you can get a nice lawn. If you remember last year, he had Dallas grass all in his yard, and it was coming over from his neighbor's yard, if you remember. So we went through and sprayed it with a product that we don't name on this channel, and it took it out. But I think his neighbor got mad because we killed her weeds apparently. So the other day, let me show you here. The other day she called my brother and said, "Hey, did you burn my yard?" Because all that right there, it's not as bad now, but I think somebody threw a cigarette out or something because that grass was burned right there. The tips of the blades of the dormant grass was burned. So she called my brother and said, "Did you and your brother burn my yard?" So I guess just part of trying to have the nicest lawn in the neighborhood. But I am excited about lawn care season coming up. I hope you are. Come along for the ride. Go ahead and subscribe now. We got a lot of good stuff coming. We'll see you in the next video. Chris with The Lawn and Life. Everybody have a good day.